BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 37 of season 3. Today's word is extravaganza. It means a very elaborate and expensive show or performance, excessive and lavish celebration or performance, an elaborate party, festival or artistic fantasy. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word extravaganza. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Extravaganza is spelled as E-X-T-R-A-V-A-G-A-N-Z-A. The Sharma family had arranged a destination wedding for their daughter. It was nothing less than an extravaganza. All their relatives and guests had a separate cottage to stay. There were dance performances by the best artists across the continent, and the food preparation was monitored by world-famous chefs. The guests also displayed international designer wear. Wow! It was just like a fairy tale wedding, isn't it? Listen carefully how we can use the word extravaganza in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. It was Diwali night. Diwali is one of the most popular Indian festival. An open terrace restaurant arranged for a fireworks extravaganza for its guests who were dining at the restaurant that night. This means that the guests could dine and watch fireworks at the same time. Isn't that magnificent? Example number 2 of 8. The closing ceremony for the Conference of Architects also included an Indian classical dance extravaganza. Example number 3 of 8. Every year, the film festival concludes with an extravaganza. It includes stand-up comedy, live performances by well-known singers and dancers, and speeches by distinguished, means highly respected filmmakers. Isn't that great? Moving on to the next example. Example number 4 of 8. The display of students' science experiments was an extravaganza for all those who love chemistry. When Godrej, Tata Teleservices, Blue Star and Titan and more than 125 corporates have trusted us for training their employees, you can definitely trust us for improving your English proficiency skills. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The annual awards ceremony of a certain insurance company usually has a musical extravaganza as a part of celebration. Example number 6 of 8. All employees of Woodcraft Event Management Agency spent sleepless nights. Do you know why? Because they had to organize a promotional extravaganza for their client. In order to coordinate such an event, it requires immense hard work and coordination between several people and teams. Now I can understand why they all spent sleepless nights. Let's see what we have in our example number 7. Example number 7 of 8. Have you seen a fashion show either on TV or in person? Now, do you know where I'm drawing your attention to? Yes, exactly. Isn't it an extravaganza and a treat for fashion lovers? Example number 8 of 8. A jungle-themed restaurant has opened on the outskirts of the city. It has the look and feel of a real forest with animal sounds running in the background. And yes, it is an extravaganza for people who love nature and the wild. Today we learned the word extravaganza, which means a very elaborate and expensive show or performance, or excessive and lavish celebration or performance. An elaborate party, festival, or artistic fantasy. Can you frame 3 sentences with extravaganza and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enhance your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 37 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Take care.